Hi there, my name is Jami Jo and I am with Jami Jo Sells Wax. I have a partnership with Scentsy Fragrance and I have been working with them since all the way back in October of 2008. Guys, that's over 14 years. And that alone should tell you that I absolutely love these products. I love this company and I love the opportunity. I'm so excited you decided to join me today to talk about why right now is such an awesome opportunity to start a partnership with Scentsy Fragrance. The reason for that is they have thrown in some super fun extra goodies into the starter kit for this month. And I want to show you everything that you would get in your starter kit. Now, we have a couple different options for kits. And what I'm going to be talking about today is the standard startup kit. The cost for it is $99 in the US plus shipping and tax. That's going to change depending on where you live. I'm in Northeast Oklahoma, and the total usually runs about $118. So what's so cool about this starter kit is the fact that it legit is everything that you need to run a successful business with Scentsy. I have been in the social selling circle for quite some time. Even before Scentsy, I tried 4 other companies, 3 or 4, I don't remember. Never made any money with any of those, but let me tell you that some of the startup kits were way more expensive than $99. So $99 is a great cost to start your own business, guys, because that's essentially what you are doing. Now, I'm going to show you everything that comes in the kit, but what I can't show you is 2 different things. The first thing is, if you decide to do a partnership with Scentsy and choose me as your mentor, you are going to get over 14 years of knowledge working for you and with you in your business. I have seen what works. I have seen what doesn't work. I love new ideas. I love to try new things, but also been there, done that. And I also love to mentor people into their own personal success. Not everybody wants to do this business full time. A lot of people just want to get a discount, do a hobby, or a part-time job. And I am going to be supportive of you no matter which path you choose, because essentially this is about your success. The other thing that this kit does not show you is the fact that you are going to get your website free for 3 months. So that right there is a $45 value, because our website fee is $15 a month. It is not required. After that free 3 months, you can choose to keep it or you can cancel it, but I would highly recommend you keep it. We are in a society of online shopping, and that website is very beneficial. All right, guys, let's jump right into this kit. Remember, $99 gets you everything that I'm going to show you for the month of July 2023. Now, first of all, you're going to get a warmer. We are a warmers and wax based business. Now, yes, we have tons of other products. You can see a bunch of them around me, but this is what we started out with. And honestly, this warmer right here was one of our originals. I love the fact that they put this in the kit because it is just Scentsy basic. And I love that this warmer goes in pretty much any decor. And I think that's why they choose it for the starter kit. They want to make sure that it's a warmer that is very general and will go with several different styles. So you're going to get the classic gray warmer. Of course, Scentsy always puts that disclaimer that could be switched out at any time. Actually, any of this stuff could be switched out at any time if there is a sellout situation. But they're going to make sure that it's something of the same value or even better. Now, you can't have a wax warmer without a wax bar. They are going to give you a bar of black raspberry vanilla. This is our top selling fragrance bar of all time in Scentsy. So it makes absolute sense why you're going to get that. You are also going to get the Slate Mini Fan Diffuser. This is one of our newer products and it is selling like hotcakes. I think the price point is one of the factors of why it is selling so well. It's only $15. It's super awesome in itself, but also a great giftable price point. So fan inside, when you plug it in with the USB port, it's gonna blow through our scent pods and you're gonna get a package of those. 2 pods in Amazon Rain. If you have not seen scent pods, they're really cool. Like a little plastic cage with scent beads inside to blow through. So you're gonna get that. You are also going to get a counter clean in vanilla mint. I've renamed this Magic in a Bottle. It's not just for counters, friends. This will clean anything around your house. So you're gonna get that. You are going to get a hand cream and a hand soap, both in Make a Splash. This smells so good. Fresh, light, but cheerful, fun, perfect for summer. I absolutely love that. You are also going to get a car bar. It's actually going to be an Amazon Rain, but I didn't have one of those in stock, so I just grabbed this one. So you're going to get a car bar. You are going to love this. Hang this up on your rearview mirror and your car is going to smell amazing. You will get 4 different packages of scratch and sniff stickers. They're not going to be this same one. You are going to get coconut lemongrass, you're going to get Luna, and then you will also get of the oil scented stickers, the fragrances eucalyptus, lavender, mint, and twinkle twinkle. Those are some of our top selling items, and these scratch and sniff stickers are super fun to place on catalogs, to put on thank you notes, to just use all over the place to let people know that you work with stuff that smells good. Bottom line, stuff smells good. You will get a sample packet of different laundry and cleaning products. I'm not sure exactly how many you get, but you're going to get a variety. You're going to get way more than 3, but you're going to get a variety of different laundry and cleaning products for you to try or to share with your friends. You are going to get a package, this one's half used up, but of Curve felt samples. So they're just little pieces of felt in our logo with our cut in our logo shape with the logo on there. They are a fun way to sample different waxes to your friends. Just take those, dip them down in fully melted wax, let them dry on wax paper, and put them in a little baggie. And then it's a great way to pass out samples to your friends and family. You will get, of course, you need a tester set. You're gonna get an entire set just like this of all of the fragrances for this catalog season. So that's over 80 different testers that you are going to get, and they come in this fun bag. Perfect way to take your scent testers around and let people smell them. You are going to get 3, that was under my camera, 3 startup guides. You're gonna get a product training guide, you're gonna go to quick start guide, and a consultant guide. This is my favorite one, the product training guide, because it outlines every single product that we sell. It's going to give you sales points on it. It's going to give you great things that you should be talking to your customers about and answer any questions that you might have about different products that you aren't familiar with. You will get a package of catalogs. This is our current catalog, spring and summer 2023. You're going to get 25 of those. You are going to get 50 of our product lists. These are just a tear-off sheet front and back of all of our product items. Great way to showcase everything that we have. Of course, you will get order forms. You're going to get a package of 100 order forms. Let me tell you, 100 order forms are going to last like for years, because most people are shopping online now, and I rarely write up paper orders anymore. So a package of order forms is going to last forever and ever and ever. You are going to get a package of host and join brochures. You are going to get, you're going to get a package of thank you postcards. You are also going to get a package of invitation postcards. You're going to get merchandise sacks. You're going to get mini zip sacks. When I was talking about those felt samples, you're going to get the little teeny tiny bags to put those in. Here's where the fun stuff comes in. I mean, that's all product, which is stuff that you need, and business supplies, which is stuff that you could use. But then the fun stuff, guys, you are going to get an insulated tote. It might be this exact same one. It might be a different color, but fully insulated, so you can keep wax products in there, put a little ice pack in there, and you are set to go. I absolutely love this one. It has a pocket on the front, pocket on the back, fully insulated inside. Like I said, yours might be this exact same one. It might be a different color. On top of that, you are also going to get this mug right here. Warm the heart, enliven the senses, and inspire the soul with the Scentsy logo on it. So you're gonna get the classic curve mug. How fun would it be to be doing posts on social media, you know, with your little Scentsy mug in your hand. So that's a fun little goodie that you get. You are also going to get Scentsy wishlist notepads. Now this is just one of them. You're gonna get an entire set of them. You will also get 10 different Scentsy pins. It's not these exact pins. I don't have the ones that they're throwing in the kit, but I love these. You will get 5 of the little Scentsy flashlights. These are just such a great size, just a fun little goodie that either you can use yourself or give to your really good customers. They're just a great little size. I have one of these that I keep in my car and just tucked around the house if I should ever need one. And guys, here's my favorite part, the extra goodie that I absolutely love for July of 2023. You are going to get one of our super fuzzy, super cozy Scentsy Buddy blankets. Now we have a couple different ones. This is a way cute one. I'm not sure if it's this one or a different one because we've had several, but it's so cozy, it's so yummy and so soft, and I just absolutely love it. And I'm really jealous because I did not get one of these in my Scentsy starter kit. Guys, you are going to get all of that I just showed for just $99, along with mentorship from me and your website free for 3 months. July 2023. It's the month to get started. If you've been thinking about this, stop thinking about it. Just jump on board. What do you have to lose? Guys, we can easily drop $99, the drop of a hat, walking into Target, walking into Marshall, sitting down to dinner. This $99 could truly be an opportunity, as cliche and as cheesy as it sounds, an opportunity that could change your life, because it certainly did for me. If you have any other specific questions about a partnership with Scentsy, I would love to answer those questions. I am no pressure to you at all. I just want to make sure you're informed. Please text me at 918-888-9690. If you are just ready to jump on board and get started, I want you to jump over to JamiJoSellsWax.com, and there is a button at the top that says Getting Started, and I would love to just help you get going on this journey. You are going to have a blast. It's a wonderful choice. Guys, my name is Jami Jo. I'm here to make your nose happy and help you with this partnership with the amazing company called Scentsy.